Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to lock your Facebook profile. This feature is a great way to enhance your privacy and ensure that only your friends can view your content. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to secure. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. Next, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More menu, located near your profile picture. Tap on it to access your profile settings. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Lock Profile. This will take you to a page explaining what locking your profile does. Essentially, it restricts access for people who aren't on your friends list, keeping your posts, photos, and personal information private. Now, tap on the Lock button at the bottom of this page. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know that your profile has been successfully locked. Simply confirm this step, and you're all set. And there you have it. Your Facebook profile is now locked. This means strangers won't be able to see or download your photos, view your posts, or access most of your personal details. It's a simple yet effective way to take control of your online privacy. If you ever decide to unlock your profile in the future, just follow these same steps and choose Unlock Profile instead. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might find it useful. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next one.